Hello. I'm going to do a little experiment with soluble starch. I've dissolved some soluble starch in boiling water and I let it cool. And I put it into two identical beakers. And I'm going to see if lactase, the enzyme to make lactose, the disaccharide split into two monosaccharides, will break the starch apart. So I'm going to put it in the beaker on my right and let it dissolve and maybe leave it there for a few hours. And then I'm going to do a starch test and see if this beaker on the right, on my right, does not have a positive starch test with iodine. And so this beaker has starch in it, but there's no lactase. This one will have the lactase. And we'll come back in a few hours and see what effect the lactase has on the soluble starch. Okay, well, 4 hours about have passed. And again, this is my solution of soluble starch that was prepared. Both solutions were prepared this morning at the same time, and I distributed them to the two beakers here. And this one has the lactase in it. It's been in there for 4 hours. This one does not. This is the triiodide test for starch. And you can see I get a nice blue color. And now let's try this one. And I don't. Very interesting. I didn't know that was going to happen. This is the first time I try this. Let's be absolutely sure. Wonderful. So the lactase, which is capable of splitting lactose into two the disaccharide lactose into two monosaccharides, is capable, I assume my interpretation is correct, of splitting up the polymer of glucose molecules in the starch and rendering the triiodide test for starch inoperative. So I hope you enjoyed that, and thanks for your attention, and I'll see you next time.